Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Half-Sword crashing on PC. First thing I want you to do is just right click on Half-Sword, and then what I want you to do is just come here, okay, click on manage, and then go ahead and come here and click on browse local files. And what I want you to do is just right click on the exe file. Okay, click here on properties, click here on compatibility, okay, and then make sure this one is toggled on. Run this program as an administrator, hit apply, hit OK. That usually fix the issue. Or what you could do is open up your task manager, come here under details, look for Half-Sword, okay, once it is running. So as you can see right now it's running, just right click on it, you come here, set priority, and set it to high, okay, and then you can launch the game again. Usually that fixes the issue. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.